Welcome Ji. Today I am going to discuss a Java Stream API map versus flat map. Here I am going to write one example where I am to demonstrate where we are going to use map, where we are going to flat map. What the major differences? Maybe I am so confused ki, what the meaning of map, what the meaning of flat map. So, for theory purpose, we know कि is uh, Java stream means कि we have a source of data, maybe list of employee, list of object, any source of data, and here we are applying a stream function, stream, stream API, and stream API. After that, we are here getting some intermediate operator, and final we are giving the terminal operator. So maybe the filter, map, flat map, and some other functions we are apply here. These are the Java Stream API means they are a set of pipeline of a function, pipeline of operators we are talking. So one operator, one function, a method known as a map, and one as a flat map. Map and flat map. So what the scenario and where are you going to use? The first I am going to demonstrate what the meaning of map. So as per the definition, map is used to transform one object, input object, to another object. Let's see input type T. The map functions are transform, convert T object to any return types R. The map function is simply getting one input object and returning one object output object that might be R types, RT types, any kind, different types can be same type, identity function as well as. The map function is one to one mapping. That means you are getting one input object and returning one output object. Okay. Similarly, map is used to transform input object of type T to the return types of R. The map function is useful for the transformation of object types from one type to another types. Maybe here I am getting employee object, I am returning the string get names, get ID. You are returning the longs object, returning this your int object, maybe get salary for projection as well as. So this is the map. A flat map is flat map is also used to transformation from one input object type T to list of list of type maybe R to the return types. Here one input object and returning M. There is a one to many mapping relationship. One input object we are passing, but return may be multiple value, one to many value, maybe one value. But here one thinks this is the map on flat map. Flat map where I am going to use flat map. In that case, if input types is one object and return types of are maybe one object or list of object or stream of object multiple value. That is the one to many. The major significant rule is that map is used for one to one and flat map is used for one to many values. Clear? Let's I am write to one simple example which demonstrate how we are talking. So we have a let's key a list of some value. Maybe let's key we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. That's 10. We have some list of value, and we are just okay. We have a list of values, and now I'm going to as per the list provide the API stream API. Now stream API have multiple intermediate. Let's key you can apply filter, you can apply map, you can apply collect multiple. These are the your operator. Maybe these are the intermediate operator. These are the terminal operator. So uh, from Java design perspective, uh, this is the year list source of data, and you have started a stream. So one by one value are streamed to the here pipeline, and for one value, this list of functions, list of operator is applied, filter applied, map applied, and similarly other function as well as, and then final these are the terminal operator, and then collect function is applied. So Java Stream API by default support lazy evaluation. That means until this operation is not invoked, this filter map operation is not evaluated. So here let's key I'm in my example I'm trying to filter. Let's key I just filter out all the even number. So which input number return and check input number divisible by 2. Then if the number is even, then go to the next map function. Let's key here I want to make a double of this value. Let's key double. Means here we double of value. Okay. Now this transforming from one to if one value, I'm going to double the value of that. And here collect just I want to collect the list of all the even number. So we have a collector search to list. So here you notice we have a list source value, we have a start stream API, we have apply filter, then we apply map, then we will collect the all the value of the even number. Now we have it, this is the list of here I want to just print all the element, so simply I apply dot orange and जो भी input number I got s out plus input number. Let's run it. This is the simple map function, just transforming from one object to another object. We have a one single object. I want to just double them. Here we have a filter out all these even number first filter and double those value. So show this is the one use case. Okay. Now here clear we are using the map. Next question map each and everyone know map is just used to transforming one object to another type one-to-one mapping. There is so clear, no confusion. Now here sorry sorry okay. Now let's see another example how where just for here I want to one input, but here not returning the one object, I am returning the list of objects. Let's key multiple of let's key here for your input 2 for I am returning the 2 multiplied by 10 let's keep 2 multiply by 100, like 3 value or 4 value you can say. So this value I want to return, not one value but list of value. Then look what happened. We have a source data, then string, then filter. Let's say same even number filter. Then we have a apply. Let's map. Now one input object. I want to make a list of. Let's key list of employee, list of number. Then second number list of multiply by let's 10. Then second list of multiply by let's key 100. And let's key 2 times multiply by 2 multiply by 2. And if you let's see collect them, collect then, and that then here is the data. Here we are streaming value and filtering those even number and then mapping. For one input object, I want to return the list of object, not one object, list of object. Then our collection would be output like this. We are getting the list of integer. But if you are just printing them, correct dot for, similarly I have written collector collect one object. If you run it, uh, here first output you're a flat simple map transfer, but here for 1 4 we have a multiple of values, multiple of list of value, multiple list of value, multiple list of value. So here I want list of value, not list of object. So here the problem. Here is your list of object. I am going to display here. Here I am getting the list of object. Here if you want to convert list of only integer, for that we are using the flat map. The flat maps just flatten this list object to the actual object. Let's slide the again same code. If we have a list of string dot filter element multiply by element modulo 2, sorry, modulo 2 equal to 0. Then here I am going to use flat map. Flat map is just convert this list of integer to list of integer. So here flat map element we have a same code. Let's same code dot collect list. So here you are notice flat map have a error. So here problem here flat map function expect you have to passing the stream of value. Means if this is the stream of integer, here you can pass the stream of integer so that they can flatten the independent value. So if we have a list, I want to convert those lists into a stream, so we have to apply here to stream. Sorry, stream. Now this become a stream. So one input, we are returning the list of value with a stream of value they need. Now you notice they return the correct list of value. If you just run again, collector 2, and you notice here your original map function take one input. Here the flat map function with a list of value or list of value. But I want to not the list of object, but I want to flat the value all the list. So here last option flat map is convert all the value in the flat list. They are cannot list up. So here you have a return value list, then you want to make only list of value object, that place flat map is help here. Okay, so whenever we have a data like this list of data means your map function take one input and return the list of value. I want to return the independent value not as a list. So in this scenario we are using the flat map. Flat map take one input, return the list of object of that string. So here notice that we are returning the stream of input, not one object but a stream of these three values. So here we have to notice that we have to return a stream, not only list. Problem is that why we are returning a stream not list, because after next call this collect function assume we are working on the stream not a list. This collect function not is a part of a list function, they are the part of your stream function. So we have here written your stream so that the next operator can assume we are working on a stream part. So similarly if you notice filter again return your stream value stream after. If you check flat map, they also return a stream value. Similarly, so that a collect can work. If you here notice, map function also return a stream of R value. That means ki here we have not written a list. If you are returning list, they are assuming only one value. So they are assume this is the only one value list of list. So if you want to list of unflatten, you have going to use the flat map with the stream, so that the next operator source would be individual value, due to which the flat map work. Okay, so in summary, a map is transform a list of. Similarly, like if I have one object transform one object. If we have a map function, we have a one object and you are transforming your list of, okay, list of value. So they make a here again new list of value 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so here you have a list, but in the flat map you are using the flat map. If you are passing object 1, they return not list of list in independent value. So here is a list and list, but here only list. So this is the your flat map, or this is your map. The map is generally used, both are the map, just input what kind of value return. If you are returning the simple independent one object, you are using the map. If you have a list of object, they make a list of list. But here my requirement don't want list of list, but I want a list of object only. So here I am going to use flat map. Flat map just deconvert the list value to list of object. Okay, so hope it is useful. And whenever you are getting a list of value, I want to expect the only list of object, then you should use flat map. Both map function and flat map function is a transformer functions which is responsible to transform input object to the output object. Uh, okay, output object is the one value or your list of value. If one to one value you want, map is the good. If you want to one to many, then flat map you can use. So that your result should be the list of integer value and list of integer value. Okay, so make a sync list of integer output on both cases. Sometime use a map, sometime use a flat map. For one to one relationship you go to map, for one to many relationship you have to use flat map. Okay, so hope whenever you are facing some issue, use the export this API. And if you go to the inside your API already explain we need a stream of value. So here you have to give input one element but return the list stream of value. This API, if you are using the map function, if you go to map take a function t type input and return r type one object. Maybe this object may be independent r object or list of object, but only one object. So this is the your map for one to one. One object input type t and return output type r. R may be one input object or maybe list of value. This is one object, but here we are passing the flat map, one input types and returning the stream of r types, so that the value is the flatter. Hope it is useful and for you. If you just want to play with this example, I am uploaded this example by blog and you can download and play. If you have any query and concern, okay, please write in the comment box. Hope I'll reply. Thank you.